आमचे सासरे पॉझिटिव्ह आले आणि ते ॲडमिट आहे तिकडं सातारा. तेच म्हटलं मग.
Welcome student. In previous lecture we completed the first lesson,
आपल्याला शोभा देवी त्या भुजबळांचं की मिळतं औषधे खाय आयुर्वेदिक पाण्यात टाकून कोमट पाण्यात टाकून
that is the earth and the graticule. Now we are going to start a new lesson, that is, let us use the graticule. Okay, in previous lesson we have an introductions about the graticule, the imaginary lines of longitude and latitude. Okay, now in this lesson we are going to use the latitude and longitude to identify the location. Okay, so we here give take an example, not give, take an example of the biggest wide nation, that is Brazil, which includes more than one latitudes, at least 3 or 4 latitudes, and the smallest one, that is the Vatican City, in which no graticules are included. Okay, so here is the picture of the earth. Here Pacific Ocean, Atlantic, Africa, Asia, Australia, and the American continent, and the whole earth is divided into imaginary lines of latitude. Okay, here is the equator line and the prime meridian are labeled in a degrees in figure 2.2. so students, you have to write down the degrees in this picture. So here is the at the center there is a prime meridian, this line. Okay, this line is a prime meridian, and the equator line is here. Equator line, this is equator line. Okay, and the Brazil has a large extent from the 10 degrees east to 10 degree west up to 40 degree west. Okay, hello. So let us read this lesson from start so we can understand each concept. So here is the globe, and try to make this globe into your notebook. Students, let us read this lesson. When we talk about the various places, regions, rivers, roads, etc., we are actually talking with the reference to the earth. The location of the place, the extent of the region, and the extent of any linear feature can be described precisely with the help of parallel meridians. So here we can identify the location with the help of parallels and meridians. Let us see how to use the graticule for this purpose. So we uses graticule for the identification of any place with the help of parallels and meridians. While describing the location of a place, we need to consider only one parallel and one meridian. Okay. For example, Delhi is located at 20 degree 36 minutes and 50 seconds north. So here we have to identify the location of Delhi, which is in the north hemisphere. One, two, three, four, five. Means 50. That is 28 degree 36 minutes and 50 time north latitude. Okay, and the longitude is the 77 degrees 12 minutes and 3 seconds longitude. Okay, this is latitude and this is longitude. For describing the extent of the region, we need to consider the two parallels and two meridians at the extreme end of the region. For example, the extent of Australia is described as a 10 degree 30 minutes south to 43 degree 39 minutes south latitude. So 10 degrees. This and 113 degree east to 153 degree east longitude. Okay, for describing the extent of the linear feature like a river, a road, we need to consider the longitude and latitude for their terminal point. For example, the river Nile in Africa originates in Lake Victoria, flows north and meets the Mediterranean Sea near the city of Alexandria in Egypt. The location of the Lake Victoria is 0 degree 45 minutes 21 seconds latitude and 33 degree 26 minutes 18 second east longitude. Similarly, the location of Alexandria is 31 degree. Alexandria, where is here is river Nile. Okay, 31 degrees 12 minutes north. Here is the map. These latitudes and longitudes are considered to describe the extent of river Nile. This extent is from 0 degree 45 minutes south latitude to 33 degree 26 minutes east longitude. That its origin. Here is the picture through which we can identify the Amazon river. The map is considered giving here we near 50 degrees Now look at this picture, another picture of the earth which we divided into the different type of degrees. At the North Pole it is 90 degrees to the equator, and the 66 degree and 30 minutes north is the Arctic Circle, 180 degrees longitude and 0 degree longitude. Then it is the 23 degree 30 minutes north tropics of Cancer. Then it is the equator, that is the 0 degree. After that the tropic of Capricorn is at the south, which is 23 degrees south 30 minutes south, and 66 degree 30 minutes is the Antarctic Circle. Let us get acquainted with some important parallels and meridians. All places between 23 degrees and 30 minutes north and the south of the equator receives a perpendicular rays on the 2 days in year. Other areas of the earth never gets the perpendicular rays. The parallels at the 23 degrees 30 minutes north and 23 degrees 30 minutes south of the equator are called as a Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The parallels at the 66 degrees 30 minutes north and south of the equator is an important parallels in the area between the two parallels throughout the year. Daytime last within the limits of the 24 hours. These are called as Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle respectively. Depending upon on the season, daytime can be greater than the 24 hours in this area at the polar circle. So here is the smallest nation, that is Vatican City. The Vatican City is known as the smallest country in the world. It is spread over an area of 0.44 square kilometer. This country is located within Italy on the Italian peninsula. See the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of the country in figure number 2.5. So here are longitudes, that is 12 degree 21 minutes east and 12 degrees 21 minutes 30 seconds east, 41 degrees 54 minutes and 30 second north, while at the south it is 41 degrees 54 minutes north. It is the smallest one, and it is situated into the other nation, that is Italy. So students, we will stop here, and the next part of these lessons we will take in the next lecture.